Thank you so much for coming to check out our channel. My name is Sam, and our channel is called Mix because I have 3 children, and I mostly feature my 2 daughters on this channel, Lillian and Zora. And my children are biracial. Their father is Nigerian and I'm Caucasian, and so they have biracial hair. And the really cool thing about biracial hair is it's a combination of both hair types, which means that the parents oftentimes have no experience dealing with the kind of hair that their children have. And so I've made this channel to discuss different hair care routines, how to maintain biracial hair, different products that I found that work, different styles that I love. And so please let me know if you like our videos or if you've tried our hairstyles, and if you have any requests, let me know. I love those types of comments. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I've got lots more content coming for you. See you in our videos.